Hi guys, welcome back to CAD Jewelry Projects. In today's video, we're diving into another CAD jewelry design inspired by AI jewelry concept from ChatGPT. Feel free to follow along as we transform this AI design into CAD production model using Rhino 8, applicable to Matrix9 and MatrixGold as well. Before we start, a big thanks to everyone watching and subscribing. I appreciate you all. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in. Guys, let's go ahead and start with our finger size. Okay, let's start with size 7. Okay, from here we're gonna pull out a center stone. I would say about let's say 5 mm. Okay. All right, let's go to through finger view. Let's pull this up. Then from our Qlet to our finger rail, we want to pull this up about 1.5. Okay. So now let's look at this AI design that I created already. Basically we have 4 prongs, so 8 prongs with 8 petals, right? And then inside that petals you have this shape right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make that. Let's start with our 8 prongs. From here we want to draw a line, an interv curve, this one right here, a simple prongs like so. Okay, we can start with this, and let's go ahead and points on. Okay, I'm gonna adjust this a little bit, and then I'm gonna use a pipe by about 1 millimeter. Okay, let's do that again. We want to make this cap rounded, so let's do that. There we go. And then let's go ahead and pull this up a bit, right? And then from here we want to go ahead and polar array this. Okay, polar array polar, throw a 0, and then it's gonna be 8. All right, and now let's create this donut on the bottom. Okay, the under bezel, we're gonna create that. Okay, we can go ahead and look at it from the top view, and then go to wireframe, and then draw a circle from our center, and then we want to draw right, we will want to hide it below our center stone. Let's pull this up, and then let's go ahead and use pipe again by 0.8. all right, like so. There we go. So now let's go ahead and create these petals right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the inside first. So I'm gonna pull this down here a little bit, and I'm gonna create this part right here. Okay, I'm gonna create that using sub D. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock this, type lock. There we go. So that way when you click it, it's not gonna be moving around. Okay, so now I want to go to layer number 3, which is blue, so that way I can see it. So now let's go to sub D tools. Okay, from here let's type sub D plane. Okay, and I want to change this to actually it's already there, so 4 and 4, the X is gonna be 4, and then Y is gonna be 4. Okay, so now from here I'm gonna draw a rectangle right here, this shape. Then from here, I'm gonna adjust this using our gumball. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna go to points over here. I'm gonna select this points right here. Okay. We wanna create this shape, this inside petals that we have. We wanna trace that and make that. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm pretty sure there's some couple ways how to make these petals, but I'm just using sub D right now, so that way people wants to learn how to use this sub D. Kind of hopefully I can help. Okay, so from here, what we want to do is we can go ahead, go to our perspective view. We want to use this right here, this small bottom right here. We can extrude it using this. There we go. Pull this up. Okay, we want to extrude it one more time. There we go. And now what we can do is we can close this. We're gonna close the bottom right here. Fill sub D hole. Okay, right here. And then select the lines, the bottom lines right here. Then enter and then enter again. There we go. All right, so now we have that. Let's look at it from the top view again. And then I want to focus on these inside lines right here. So I'm gonna add another so we're gonna go ahead and insert a sub D edge loop right here. There we go. And then we're gonna insert more here in the middle. Okay, and then over here as well. And over here. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to pull this down. Okay, I'm gonna pull this down like so. There we go. So we're creating basically this the same texture. All right, so we're gonna adjust this a little bit more by going to our points vertex right here. And we're gonna adjust this slowly. Oops. Okay. I want to take these lines, so we're gonna go to this all these lines right here. I'm gonna delete it. There we go. So make it more rounded. All right, that's not too bad. We can now select sub D objects again, and then we're gonna convert this to nerves. Okay. Delete input, yes, and then enter. All right. Now you have this. Now we have this, and we can put this on regular layer. Okay. And then we're gonna pull this down. right here, like so. And then what we want to do, we're gonna mirror this to the other side. Okay, there we go. So now from here we want to draw a almost like a marquee shape, like so, right here. So let's go to insert curve again, and then let's go to wireframe. Let's draw a let's draw a marquee shape, like so. Okay, let's go to mirror it to the other side. Okay, so now what we want to do is connect them, so we can go blend. We're gonna blend this line right here that we created, and then on the one on the top as well. Okay, let's go ahead and join. Okay, so from here we want to adjust this, make it a little bit smaller. And then I also want to adjust this again a little bit more, so let's delete the other half. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use cage edit, bounding box, C-plane to 4. There we go. And then I want to pull this up. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and mirror it again to the other side. And then let's go ahead and offset this. Type offset. We're gonna offset this by about 0.6. Okay, then from here let's look at it from the side view, right side. Okay, we're gonna extrude this, extrude curve by about 1.2. Okay, and then from here we can go ahead and make this to default layer. Okay, and then let's go ahead and fillet edge by 0.25 here and here, and then the bottom as well. All right, okay, so there we go. And then from here we want to pull this up over here above. Okay, all right, that's not too bad. Let's pull out another stone milli. Let's pull out to 1.5 millimeter. Let's try that. Yeah, some will do. And also guys, I'm using a Rhino gold grasshopper gold plugin, so make sure to. So it's basically these tools right here. All these are their plug-in, so it's free. So yeah, I suggest you start using it if you're working on jewelry stuff in Rhino, because it's made for jewelry manufacturing. All right, so now let's go ahead and go to our, you know what, I think this might be a little bit thin. No, actually this should be good. Okay, let's make this a little bit thicker right here. Okay, and then now we want to go to top view. Let's delete these lines right here, and then we want to use cage edit again, bounding box, C-plane. There we go. And I want to make this bottom right here, the bottom, I want to make it a little bit smaller, a little bit thinner. There we go. And then over here as well, because I think we're going a little, it's a little bit too wide. Okay, there we go. Then over here too, let's make this, pull this down a little bit more. There we go. This is a good start. Okay, let's see how we look. All right, we're not done yet. We're gonna bend this using cage edit again. All right, it's not bad. Let's go to right side. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use cage edit again, bounding box C plane, and then we're gonna make this X degree to 4, and then Y right here to 4, and then Z right here to 4. Enter, enter. So now what I want to do is I want to use that. Let's go ahead and extrude first here. I want to do this on both sides. There we go. And look at it from the right side view. And then we're going to bend this using our bounding box tool. Okay. There we go. We're going to curve it using our bounding box tool. There we go. Let's look at it from the top. Let's see how it looks. That's not too bad. Let's pull this down a little bit. And then let's move this diamond up. And then I want to make this rounded a little bit. So I'm gonna adjust this points right here. Over here as well. And there we go. Make this a little bit thicker. So let's look at the measurement of this and see what we have. Points approximately about 1.3. That's not too bad. It's a good start. Okay. Move it a little bit more closer here. There we go. All right, so now I want to adjust this a little bit more, these petals inside. So we're gonna go ahead and use bounding box again, cage edit. There we go, and then make it closer. There we go, like so. And then from here, mirror it to the other side. All right, let's go ahead and use gem view. Okay, and then what we want to draw here is a circle underneath of our stone. So circle 0 right here. Okay, and then we can do let's hide this, hide, and then we can do a pipe here on the bottom by 0.7. There we go. And then maybe that's too thick, so let's try 0.5. There you go. Then show, we can do show, and then look at it from the side, right side. Pull this down, make it a little bit thicker. All right, then last thing over here is we're gonna make the prongs. So you can draw a line, straight line from here to here. We can make this to blue so everybody can see it. Okay, there you go. And then you can use pipe again to make your prong. 0.5 is good. There we go. And look at it from the top view. Top view from here. make this a little bit bigger. There we go. And then over here. And then if you need to adjust it, just adjust it going inside, and then go to the right side, make it a little bit taller. Adjust this size of this. There we go. There we go. All right. That's not too bad. We can go reset on this. We don't need the gem view. From here, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and polar array, type array polar, and then type 0, and then it's going to be 8 petals, right? So enter by 360, enter again. There we go. There we go. As you can see, there's a spacing over here. So what we can do, we can go back, and then we can adjust this. We can make this a little bit more thinner. So we go to cage edit, bounding box, Z plane, and go to wireframe. We can make this a little bit more thinner right here. So that way, when we use that polar array, there's gonna be spacing like what we have here, right? So let's go ahead and look at it from the top view again, and then polar array by 8. There we go. As you can see, you now have that spacing, right? Okay, it's not too bad. And then from here, what we can do here is we can create this another outside stone right here. What we can do is go to top view, rotate copy, yes, with our 0, rotate copy here, and then you can kind of see it's gonna be somewhere around here in the middle, right? There we go. What you want to do here, we can make this a little bit smaller. Okay. And then from here, what you want to do is we can go to gem view. Okay. Change. Go to top view, and then we can draw another circle for your under bezel, right? So circle, press 0, enter, and then it's gonna be somewhere around here. Okay, and then we're gonna put a pipe again by 0.5. There we go. Go to side view, pull this down, make it a little bit thicker, so. And then from here, we want to draw a or we can actually just get this. No, you know what? Yeah, we can do that. We can go ahead and copy this, and then look at it from the top view. Okay, and then we can move this over here. All right, so now we're gonna rotate with copy. Rotate copy, yes. Okay, hold on. Let me see it. Okay, there we go. So we can go rotate copy equals yes. You know what? Let's go to, we're gonna reset this. Okay. Then we can go ahead and select this gems right here, change. There we go. From here, we can just copy this over here. From here, and then over here. And then we're gonna make another stone, another prong right here, and pull them closer. There we go. So now let's reset. Reset here. Okay, from here we want to go ahead and polar array it with our center 0, enter, and then by 8. Enter. Here we go. All right, guys, the last step over here is just making the actual band. Over here, what we can do is go to our right side view. From our right side view, we can draw a circle, 2 points right here, 2 points from our quad. Okay, over here we can type 1.6, enter, and then shift down. All right, so now you have this circle. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna rebuild this by 8 and 3. Okay, and then go to press your circle right here, go to press F10. All right, we're gonna adjust these points a little bit, make this a little bit wider. Okay, and then we're gonna adjust this to almost like so. Okay, so it's not exactly circle, but it's more comfort fit band. All right, then we can go ahead and make this green, or make this white, right, like so. And then we can go ahead and rotate, copy, rotate, use last center. There we go. Copy, yes. From here, we want to copy it going inside over here. All right. So now we can make this a little bit wider, so it's tapering going to the bottom. So from here, we can mirror it to the other side. Okay, there we go. So now what we can do is the last thing is gonna be sweep 1 by selecting our profile over here, and then on the left side, and voila. So now you just created this 8 petals flower shape ring. Yeah, that's pretty much about it, guys. If you felt like I was going a little bit too fast, you can always pause the video and rewatch any section you like. Okay, and if you think this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and drop any question or request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.